everyone, this is Kieran Oversapien for Filmstorm, and welcome back to our next part, our third part, where we're going to have a look at how to create the animation analyzer and insert animations into it. So let's right mouse click, animation, and animation analyzer. And as you can see, it says add the animations for the motion matching system to analyze motion data. So let's pop this open, and here we have our lots of nice helpers everywhere. We need to pick a skeleton for motion matching, and it gives us our nice tile. So here we have the skeleton. And for motion matching, to give you the best results, you need to actually select some bones, because of course everyone might have custom skeletons when you come to game dev, so you won't want to be selecting all your IK nodes and all your finger nodes, equipment nodes. Basically, you just want to select the main bones in this case. So by main bones, we mean the pelvis, all your spines, your clavicle, and your main arm. You don't want any of the fingers, because they will give you bad data. So let's go down, and here we have our clavicle, upper arm, lower arm, hand. Go down, and we want the neck and the head, and of course the thigh and the foot and the ball, and the right thigh and foot and ball. And basically you can ignore all of the other bones, because they will just give you useless data. I mean, of course, if you have like a big monster or something and you want to motion match that as well, you can select, and it has additional spine bones. You can select all the spine bones, because it still needs to match that data from your animation. So let's click accept. Cool, and let's call this just walk, walk, jog, run, and let's open this up. And you'll be greeted with this, and these are your select animations for this animation analyzer state. And we need to find and add animations for the animation analyzer. So let's just find some, and it populates it really quickly, because I have quite a lot of animations in here. And what we want to do is let's just look up walk to start off with. And we want to find these ones at the bottom. And let's just grab up to here. So we have 15. So let's just add that. I might actually just change this animation analyzer to a walking one, just so we can get the best preview for it. So this will just take a second, and in the background it's just analyzing, it's grabbing all that motion data and shoving it into some arrays for us, some temporary arrays, and basically it's just holding that data in there for when we play. So this is probably the longest part of your motion matching setup. And all that data is now inside our animation analyzer. Let's just come and turn this to walk. And assuming that we have set up our third person blueprint and our anim blueprint as well, let's just come to our anim blueprint. So we're using the demo project here. In the next tutorial, we're going to have a look at how to set up the character blueprint from scratch, so that way you can follow along and see how that's all built. So inside here, let's just switch out our locomotion, our MG locomotion, to our walking. So click on the Filmstorm motion matching node, and let's click on walk. Let's click compile, save, and let's go play. And there you can see we have motion matching for our walking. Now you can see this take was obviously a fast motion, but you can see the really nice seamless leaning, and he even turns his head depending on where what kind of input you're pushing. So if we start to go to the right, he looks there, because that's where he was looking when we recorded the motion capture. Perfect. So that's a really quick overview of how to set up the animation analyzer for motion matching.